Alright guys, this is going to be my second scenario. So first we're going to grab 3 of the gains. The store is not tagged, but they're on sale this week for $3.95, so we're going to grab 3 of those. Alright guys, and the second item we're going to grab is going to be a bag of Tide Pods. They are $4.95. And the last item we're going to grab are going to be 4 of the Crest 3D White $1 toothpaste. We're going to grab 4 of these. Alright guys, here's a brief overview of everything that we have on our cart. We have a thing of Tide Pods. We are going to use a $2 off of 1, making them $2.95. We have 3 things of Gain. We are going to use 3 of the $1 off Gains. They are on sale this week for $3.95. And the last item that we have are 4 of the Crest 3D Whites. We have a $3 off of 1 Crest coupon for that. We're going to use 4 of those. So let's get up to the register and get checked out.
What, the other one that's with me?
Mm-hmm. Total for me. Alright guys, as you can see, everything worked out perfectly. We got 4 of the Crest and the $3 coupons off of 1 attached to those just fine, giving us $2 overage. We got 3 of the Gain liquid laundry detergent. And the store discount is my employee for being a healthcare worker, so that's what that is, but the $1 coupon attached is fine. Then we got the Tide Pods. Sorry, the wind is blowing. We got the Tide Pods. They were $4.95 and the $2 coupon, making our total just $3.42 for a total of 8 items. And we saved $17.38. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for me. And like I said, once we get the 1K, I will do a giveaway of some inserts. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.
Why?